My name is Kim Baldry, and I use straight line construction to renovate our kitchen and our master bathroom after we've lived here 25 years.
My name is Dale. I am the project manager here at Straight Line Construction. Today we are at the Baldry residence, and we did a kitchen and a bathroom, and we're just going to go over the scope of the project here.
I actually went online to look at reviews of different construction companies, and their name came up, Straight Line, and so I interviewed about 7 contractors and then selected them. I wanted to put in double ovens, and had to work around a pantry that was in the corner and an island in the middle of the kitchen, and that kind of started the whole project.
During the remodel, we had to remove the large pantry in the corner of the kitchen to have more countertop space and more cabinet storage space. We had to move the range because we wanted to install a double oven. We also had to set up a cabinet for a cooktop where the range used to be. We had to frame in the computer workstation to be able to install doors and shelves for a pantry. The bathroom was fairly dated. We pretty much gutted the whole thing. We brought in all new tile, we got rid of the tub, we extended the shower across the whole length of the room. So now you've got a large 0 entry shower, there's no step in. You've got shower heads on both sides of the shower.
The guys that came here were always nice and friendly and appropriate. They came when they said they would show up. The office staff was great to work with, Amelia, and people helped me pick out faucets and shower heads and tile and all, so they were really, really easy to work with. If I was going to do this again, I would definitely use Straight Line.